Keno yotu yo 2026 karibuni sana arikani ngukwirite ngichokera ngachokera atukiarire mantu jege insurance wene ndi ukira uki watimana nantu bakuringa muromo bawo nke muromo njirane bakuritira mwana ku insurance itire into bya ku insurance anga policy fulani angeriwa ngambi waita maybe uhaiko meti uria nyangiri pa month lakini kaita kakinya wakinyate ate watu kotu kuona mbecha ira rite chikaura bu anyway atwena Julius Banyara aura ne CEO kana amwambiriria wa auto choice insurance na aria ukendo tuthomithia amantu jegie insurance policies niri gutubati wita kana na atubati uchita indira chia labs kana toreka kuria atubati kutiata thiatira takena at least atona kethira tukona tubecha no tunitora turobete kwithira tukiria karibuni sana twarandire kiri mitandao yetu yo kinyanire Facebook na kinya YouTube Meru TV Kenya tuko live omba kuthiro gitwandikira message ugitwiro tuthiatirite winterire kuna kinyo kulukira namba yetu ya 0748918901 betkiria ngwate ogeni manyaro ntukona ndeka chetu ichiuchietiriro muno inga ni acho tuone tutafika namna inatwa kinyira mbere ndeka achikumba kwithira achikithira indi dwari turarire mantu jegie policy insurance irawira wanuitire mwana okuchukuru anga mambo ni mingi masadio machache ende atukomba kwithira tukiaranire na Julius Manyara agitueleza na agitukinyithi thigithio ndina karamu na ndina yuku akenda mpandika ende ira ndeta guchwa policy insurance maybe ekithomo maybe mwana maybe ningo kuinsure my family no mwanka mbithira ndina knowledge ya inamba tikumba kwithira nkiambiriria na ni bimbati kuepukana na bio akenda ntika chithire endiria antune achege karibu sana bwana Julius na romboke wa ile kamera ye akethe mutegerwa Meru TV murikanire tore yaku na nkologi kinyo gitwira inoritangu inorutana insurance iriku.
Asante sana. Iboya nonto bwa kanya kandrawa gwitha artist ndiye ya nuari mbere ingo jogire murungatho nonto bwa opportunity maitho ya kwambita Julius Manyara nditango ina auto choice insurance agency so tuna so many products kana policies ira tofa so as bila tunaendelea kuongea nitawaelezea kenda afikiria pamenya kana bomba wita komenya imbio tobati kwa insurance na nitare go bati kwa insurance.
Yes. Karibu sana bwana Julius. Last week tware na no atwelezere ni bibiongo bita wa insurance lakini wari endenda tware matujegie policy non tu I don't know kithira ka kuina mwanya yo policy na insurance covers non tu no trima maybe policy no kura no yukiri mwana policy ango yuke policy ange chibitari ango yuke policy inyingi ndenda utweleza maybe na lugera tuzetu kwamba kuelewa ndira tukwari na mantu ya policy insurance ni bitu kwariria.
Policy iri taritu maira kiri insurance na kiringa na product iko kwenda kuyukia so rito policy yumana gena kana imbio kwenda biongo ku insure against what is your insurable interest so policy kinyajanga no policies yana policies mendiko kabasi policies chonde policy the only difference kana mwanya igwethira bishuete this against what so you join the insurance policies yes
efikiarire mantu jegie for example no triwana nantu akenya barabara nde bakura tuina this insurance itukubwithia policy fulani okaigwa tu okay no ntu no kwenda wina kiroto gike yake gio family ke na baku bathoma ukatonya box ugaita policy maybe ya kithomo lakini watira ukumba kumesustain for 1 year kaita gakinya mbechi kathira kwa tukotumba kuendelea na niyo ringi mbechi ira no chokairwa aibwele awa mbecha ni ikokwethira kuina shortage mbecha maybe no chokere kana nyanka bure nendira ndarutete riche mwaka yumwe no bunengera icho kinya nusu
insurance bro yo parity uga goya for example tumura example policy yogwire mwana uga goya mbere bitwa lakia nenchi mwana norenda kwa policy ya miaka yana so for example mwana gwa gaithira let's say grade 4 na urenda goyera muthomithie mwanka university utala miaka iragaithira guthiria primary na iragaithira guthiria secondary so agita university ichende miaka ni utala for example no utala goneria 10 years so gayuke product ya 10 years so gaithira bechiro gaithira ukirea ijendi tamaini bila tuita sum assured sum assured bechiro ya assured a company that at this given period kana itarire kinya after 10 years bejujo kana karwa plus now we view to it accrued bonuses na accrued bonuses uji calculate one depending on how much the company has made the profit kana imbi bona that year so accrued bonus a formula reta lavanio we watala 8% per annum e karingana na how the company has performed for that period year so some assured imbajira yani ore assured in case policy ko mature let's say ni 100,000 ka 200,000 so ijo mbecha company ore assured ko nankerwa plus now the bonuses ira policy ko yonete na gojo tuita partial payments nira mwana githo igo policy 10 years na yoginya let's say 5 years so the 6th year ontoneta legaring atalora mona ganje with the secondary so the 6th year no nangara first payment yeta partial payment the second year nangara another partial payment so actually most of the companies ibariana 4 installments then the 5th installment ile policy go mature alafu kanangara the total amount plus not the bonuses yes
ara kwa kinyaita kwa tuikana ndio ni kuibwa nkinoa maybe na inkwenda aku withdraw kumakiri that policy that kutik process iriko
ogaithira customer gure mbeca na igwa na bati ku withdraw kwena kana kuna agreement ira ithere ate insured na the insurer that is now ragure insurance na ramu insurete so idarure ge yoginya kwe miaka withira wawi ira otomba go withdraw policy before iginyela no to go withdraw you lose your all the money that you have contributed no to go na gento geta risk kana kuna life cover ke some of the products so kaba siuje thera china risk kana china life cover so mbejira na mwago mbere mbejira nyinge chiteta green investment na yele so the third year iyo company anje eko anje generate income so within room below that 6 months actually most of the policies kana baba ingia balusimbia chio so ibo onto muntu and revise our na at least contribute for at least 36 months
yes lakini le akatwika uni kwenda ku contribute for 36 months lakini watira maybe kama pato karandire ona kana ngwene randeki inira thirire na nende ndikuona mbecha ringi what happened
muntu yo nuwe policy abatiko ya ko product chita wa short term policies kana ira chia na bonuses after every 1 year for example ga ko wande nangiri chia ko yana inkwenda ku investigate company okay waji deposit so mwaka fulani kethani ya 5 years o mwaka kwembecha batikwithira giugakia so policy yo ne ko ya allowance ekwithira giugakia mbecha chiaku kinya miaka 83 yeah
okay
so endowment product jo mno wa lazima ukinya mwaka 3 years yes
nibaga sana ureki industry ya Mount Insurance bwana Manyara igitumikira uko na itubati kuyukia insurance kana kwithira tu insure maybe ngari chietu biashara chietu kithira education policy tukuba kwithira tukiyukia
ambere actually insurance tuko necessity on to risk ile nyingi sana imo chiacha political interferences ogona nto iba kwandra mana into bianto bigainyangwa so insurance tuko hii anto bainge babati umeukia a part of their business because ne protect biashara yachi yenu in case company kana biashara gwege ya gwenyangwa ne anto kuna riot kana kintu gege kana nyo ntu monki so company ne ya compensate so ibo ntungu anto ibati kwitha bena insurance because they protect properties na actually baba inge antora ba kwelewa mno kinya baba ga nyumba cha millions of money kana bagarura businesses ote muntu ari ya tena insurance because naije anything can happen. I want to go into property kuweka insurance ba protect their properties. Yes.
Endera mtu wake ya kwenu for example kiri Auto Choice Insurance Agency awe na kwenda kuyukia insurance ibo muthomethakia maybe gitumi kira kuyukia insurance ni bikuwa insured na in case maybe of kethira induka in case maybe of monkey in case of antu baumira na ubaka umira bebe nyange ndukera ni mbia kona na for example nyato ya kiringari endera bo kuishwa ngari ibo karithakia mwene ngari ndebo amweleza mantu jamenjera yombike kumira ngari ndera yawe kenda cho ayegwa mbecha.
Thank you. Customer ya kwa ofisi chetu itumuritana. For example itha ni ngari twamura tofauti insurance yetu wa third party na comprehensive insurance policy. So mtu akaitha yugetia third party for example. Ngari gwege ya kuiwa kaneka ya. So you are not liable to demand anything from the company because we are protected there. Ni ntobia ntobangi. Ngari gwege ngo ite protected. Na kisheria niyo ote mtu aitithia ngari atineu insurance yuni ya lazima na thirikari bonto yuwa uni thire lazima no ntomba gwenyangi nti mtu na that time ugaitha ote na intobio murea so endre wa take kana ba yuge risk wa iki company kare am tron you on behalf lakini ya comprehensive anto baba inge iba yukagia policy kwenda ba protecting ngari chio kana properties msilingari lakini ugaitha utineu comprehensive cover ngare ku ite protected ke third party liabilities lakini ke ngare yo ngwete covered iwo bati kwetha ibangite mubuko ukamain case ngare ya waithira kana ebe ya kana ya iyo in just go and buy another vehicle alafu wati wa wicho erende na itire. Yes.
Kwina yo kwarire matujegie third party na comprehensive kidogo kinya unire mone nchanganyano tu thaitu kwarire comprehensive tiko membi tukwarire na kinya tukiarire third party antiko menya nibitu kwariria atire ake third party uriwa mtu ni ntobia mtu ngie ni baitirete insurance how
burako kari tu for example ndina ngari actually kwejo mundu nyagenda itira comprehensive itite kana ntu bamiaka kuringana Kenya company nyingi yogakia ngari na below 15 years not more than that so ya wethera ko lugagia u some companies jeta to an extent baga vethi ngito ta mechanical valuation yethera standard nera bagwendra no bago extendere mwaka ya kinya 20 years kana 18 years depending with the company lakini most of the companies will give 15 years and below so what I mean angu policy with comprehensive na third party mwanya yethera yuri ika third party itithira ikabita ngari reku lakini ikabita ntobia ntu bangi in case you get damaged kana ukaringa mtu for example lakini comprehensive ikaba bibi on the bibi to third party na yachoka yakaba ngari reku so bila bi mwanya i premium kamba jira mtu akurea jije thira ina tofauti otongari ile yawa kuringana na value yayo kana ngari uni ambe chiana endre watalirwa premium so bila baba inge ba avoid okana nyamu akikira ngari nja third party ikore ambe ntumbe aja comprehensive ni ile ambe nyinge compare na third party. Yes.
Ambe chichiri aba mweri kana imwaka kana ni after how many
policy jangari mustile jethera ni ato ita short term policies kana icha 1 year so mwaka othira ngare ku no mwaka uyo renew whether it is third party kana comprehensive so insurance yangari ithire purely 1 year otemba ko yogi insurance yangari miaka ile miaka 3 nio bitoma company ivethie u no ntoba biratu ita depreciation otongare ku no ithire 5 million this year yeta valuation next year kaitha ni 4.5 yeta after 2 years ka 3 years kaitha ni 3 million so we want to company itana policy miaka mingi so ngare ku bati ita valuation after every 1 year ikaile valuation ya yoimbi then iba charge premium according to the value kana kuringana no mbeja jangare ku ira jeu after valuation
kunende for example vizi ano kwithire kwina wa kure insurance yewe tu yangiri 10 mwaka lakini ni next year value ngare we ya ilwa rengi agita kurini ugatuika ne na inami kwina possibility ya bando na na mirombe chira kwa makwithira akiri kana
iboya ira nyingi china ma valuation lakini ngari ira mostly chethera iguma 5 million ugitia kinya igai nama ethera simo manjini so ngari china ma muno ngari ya kura lakini ngari njaru ite nama manjini nene no ntunyega na 10%. For example, iga na 10%. Kita ngari wale 1 million 5 million iga na 10%. Iga into 4.9. So kinyage iga calculate premium ite na difference nene. So we want to sometimes company need ingari nene mno but they valuation after every 1 year. Not after 2 years can the third year. Yes.
Okay, kia mtura mbia kwenda akuita policy ni bibi onga bati kwithira kia ilia mbere.
Mbere bila bati vile logia insurance i riski. Oilela na riski ugo wilela oilela ga uchiori uni ngare for example ngoita ndayu ke loan. To baba ngai ba ke loan baka urangari. Ngoita ndayu ke loan bank. Na loan for example neria for 3 years ka 5 years. Na accident de happen ngare kuthira na integrate comprehensive. No mbona mbe jingi ngaita nkaura insurance yenge kana nkaura ngare yenge. So mostly I want to advise yanto by comprehensive because it is a protection kana neo protecting areu in case there risk yombikia kwetherero kana loss. Yes.
Ani ba kwanto bakiwa ni bibetu nya banki bakiwa oni mwana kwa akwira ngari ne fulani no kambende theatre ari wa atari wa oni ngari kwa yo na accident ndeta kiri insurance rinda itete na niyo ngari kwa claims chako ichire rejected kana ichiarere barua batiri ngari kwa watuka kwene itumika thomba abirabo bakuwa bio tuma nende ngari wimba kwithiretire wakana mimbi antu bara bakwirire ngari nira abethira batiri wa nimbi bimba kwithira bikireta
aiboya kuringana na sheria ote accident ite batikuriwa nanga mtu akaithira ite insurance lakini watu kapapasira utumira ni insurance ira tera insurance against for example okaithira ugite insurance ya a private okaithira insurance ngare okaithira private wa toka matani antu une chenjeriera to scope of insurance kana insurance yaku netera matatu na tebati kwethera matatu so in case ngari wega ya kuvithi accident na investigator bage abakona ko ngari ne abiria kamata so company in a right cha decline ko ngari yaku especially ngari nini onto prombox baba inge baita private baita kamata abiria so baba diko advised mtu akaga insurance ira kumenya thina ya akaithira ikavandi na ntu bara baiguo bandu bakaithira baikavandi so mtu akaga insurance ye third party a private please natumire ngari ngure baterie onto in case onto boge yogarika insurance no ere kore insure kore anto bara na anto bara bara kore finally murio yo mama ire ngari na bejirega wanda record anto bainge na bara muno jikinyela na muntu agara moigurea na ndabu nyaitire athai kwangete tasi vonjel so anto bati kwethera bai no lenja boga bagirita nawa bagamenya ra witira insurance obati utumira insurance yaku boya kuringana na promegere kana kuringana na papasira insure against the risk.
And now ambetekele twarire mantutegie kuitira biashara chetu insurance na tunende no kuona for example kaitana kama maandamano ando kuitira biashara nyingi mno tikenyangwa maandamano yantuke Jumatatu na Tuesday yatire nyange kwinduka yari gitimbi ne benyangia ba UK into biandukeu na mantu mengi mno mba kuthira kibuthika ugiakwa ilia last maandamano ya buthikita account ne ya Meru kwina supermarket yombere kuthira kinyangwa kabisa nenge ya ethwa importance yari ngi biashara kumba kuthira bagitira biashara chio policy however small it is kana however big it is kana kwina kiwango akia biashara ikuno mwankethire kinyete mali fulani kendo mitira insurance
so ibo boya bare ote biashara nini kanenene because ora mtu aguritangue akona mutu oro eunio biashara yake na nabati omi protect kinyaga the thiringi 50 na ntuko 50 ne bati kwa protected na go ngia akona 100,000 bandre inyayo ne bati kwa protected so the only difference imbajira mtu agure akuringa na biashara yake yajethera tofauti lakini frank andra kwa device athigeria mtu wonde nabati kwithira aina insurance akareti into biawe because otomba kumeire mando ya gariga ya ba ndringa into bira nyangirwe bakaithira ba aina insurance I think ibo na peace of mind lakini bakaithira batinio stress no muntu na njire endre kuria na tankona ba ja ku replace ngoe kwa na ta no me sometimes ne chumbura antu okona nya muntu na ritiro biashara ne ra ukari aita nya biashara na inge kana are monyingo epio a paralyzed ko te ka tumba kwa ndale biashara ringi so antu bati kwithira ba na insurance jo gari ntobio na eu ingwete yote muntu are mwa kuishwa ngwirare because it is part of actually kimba jira kona na set some money assigned au insurance ke profit ira go make agigishe na gore insurance and in case pronto ubo mbigyo kareka akaithira ikaretie yes
na edero tuntu buthu kubwa karikira mtu na nature kura insurance kana choka irwa mbeca
the other day ndarea nda insurance iritango ina principle tuita the principle of large numbers na ndaua antu ba kai barabona mathina mbejira chionde chithirete chithuranitu kibara baingi tibio barona ije compensate ba kai onto tibo onde ba gomba kona that risk so wa witere mbeja you witere insurance you don't need kana ote expect di ojogeru at the end of the year because beji unge uraga thira ikona thina ati atikenu bo yukiti product yeu no compensate wa imbejira chiagu ukurite atukoibo ya nontu kinya thanurire itoromba murungu inyore insurance manto yeta ukarigire
okay
yes
okay anabaga sana kwina antu ba insurance kachitira chichembeche nyingi kana itiafo ndika kwina nyamu twakuba mimbe ukiariria witira biashara yewe insurance akaigwa kiringana mwiri akaigwa ukiwa mantu ja third party mantu compressive akaigwa unija untiumba na tukathwani mimbe insurance chitewa nitonga au affordable
insurance mbere ditawa nitonga age insurance ni monde kan purchase these products muntu no ora insurance kuringana na level yake so for example gea uninkaua nya biashara meite ite anene kwa kita biashara ya 100,000 kwa kita 10 million kwa kita 1 million so biashara uchi on there ite anene na ibondo insurance yeko yugwa iba ubonde depending na birawe na bio so ginya ito tala chiana ginya chio muntu no ayugie kuringana na level yake obira kwa receive at the end of the year and after 5 years so insurance you go everybody within exclusion you are going to give to you no anybody can purchase the insurance products yes
akirite guru na iture ya Kenya akwina manto mengi muno yakomba kutira yagita na mbere insurance ndiguru ya insurance ni ate komba kutira yagita there gutigira maybe kwina growth ya economic Kenya
insurance mbere pejira chodoro na kwa and insurance is one of the greatest pillars of the economy so premiums okay agwela ke financial sectors banks insurance and those other financial sectors insurance is one of them ila strong ila jomba to make the economy of the country to be stable because mbajira chodoro chionde ibra chodoro nirwe chetajiga investor somewhere else chiga thani kwebi kun generate kenda for example ithane antu baraba ina policies cia many years ugaithira mbeji ira baguruta kidogo ni weta chiga uthoro ni amwe chigethira mbeji nyingi cia thaiga investor wange chiga generate income ino profit yegumera kuwa ibaya wa profit ira tugwita accrued bonuses na partial payment yes
okay technology ni thirite gichange na njira nene sana ntichi kethera ntukuchane ndi no mwanka tutrima ne tuye abichine twaranirie umbelese kana inya mimbi andi narandi no kuringirite mo gakuri kwenda insurance fulani no kampudiro kulukira mimbi mitandao
so technology ne tada the industry insurance muno because tila sima yo bichine bira akio bati kubethia ni wa na document ira chiende kana through the WhatsApp through the email so ora igia ko submit those documents Ojo automambe chaki the insurance company to go number receiver then you can send your insurance cover from wherever you are na bingi thina ke technology ara ithire nanga kuna network jina issues ilio police mtu mbia ko delay but nyete take long no delay for some time alafu ya choka resume alafu endre technology ne tata thina ambiwe because nyande uthretie inya clients murio na inya batwe personally because mtu ora narari no ayone policy yake within a short period of time. Yes.
There to go the biashara kwina mtu ailakia kuona nintonyete biashara ne kana kiri industry insurance unimbita ku make becha. Ntiche insurance industry emeki atembecha no tunendi kethira ira bakurea kwi ngari ingi itungangirwe chike ya chikari ya ngari ira watri manende mbia nyigwe lakini ugona chire ya chigetura. How do you make money? Can at least you hii mwezi ngaringa masabu yako at least kiyo jonde bakudira ye kari kandi na ka profit kangiri chako tudate.
So ibu boya ya brandra warengan rawa bajia children nakwa chita chika gero ina common pool chegero ina common pool profit ire kone ka bajira chite company tete tumira bajira before mwaka yuthira because anything actually any policy that is underwritten kana policy ra yondere ya insurance eba me count as a risk because no happen kedha we yanangare ku 5 million to guishwera so eu total la orendre risk 5 million tayukia egege 10 million to risk 10 million tayukia so mbajira chionde at the end of the year to gona tuna risk 100 million so 100 million you na mbajira to we for example 500,000 kana 20 million so get 20 million you chetaji kana investment because ke principal insurance a possibility of an accident to happen it's a possibility of 10%. Ya madhabu ya vitu na yareo so kirianto yana baba mbiya kona accident ni anto 10 at the most by the daburu 15 so by the end of the year kinyamba jijerewa on the university ro na profit kinyajerewa bando company yati wa some money.
Okay.
Yes.
Nata ko karekendera maybe uninkwe nkurangare ko rwari anku yakiri company yenu ya insurance bukungitre insurance lakini immediately ntorete nkaringo ngare kathira. What happens?
Ebo ibo karika mno. No yo ngari kuma yandine. Otorete okameka accident na that one can happen. Ege happen ni such a case company ba investigate. Bere ba entra ko medha ngari te aure ringi. Because no way ora kanangari karingo ari wo with insurance. Those things they happen. Lakini itu investigate na tuko ko nanya kintu ko ton GPRS ibe yaba kalogate ngare wo yo kara that moment pago no gwetha geringirwe na ba proof that ngare obwo gito insurance yete kuringi ginya getha insurance immediately you be compensated lakini baga ya realize ngare ke kuringi keringirwe re ya kuishua that one the company will not cater for that actually mtunya kabati kwa prosecuted. Yes
imbibi ya mbere ki maybe with insurance kana igekura no tunendire kinyo bwa ba wita yandi ne bumite akatungwa nende imbi batikura mpere ngari tiunka yankaishwa kana batikuishwa nkayambishwe tenda yakura in case of anything onde sasa which comes first
birabia ya mbere igura ngari because otume aguishwa ngari oturite onto no bare gwele no nyamo endria
okay
na no insurance which means ngari insurance tegu so ingari batikura mbere ora mbere alafu endre watoira ngari yakwa na 1 million kana 2 million so ito kwa ya kave 1 month temporary kana 2 weeks everything valuation report the valuation yo ya ngo ya toira ngari kinyetha itugire ne 1 million ire 1.5 maba wengi baita orangari 5 million lakini yata ke market value ya tuika valuation iguma ina mbeje nyingi korogia bro kuri tangari so endre baba wengi ba complain ba kiwa ngari kwa kuri 1 million lakini valuation yure ngari ne 1.5 actually what the issue against 1.5 and by the way inya ne advantage ke client because in the case of kana ngari weke ya kuthira but you 1.5 not 1 million ira wa retanio so bange vito mabara ya view kabetha bagira premium on the premium 1 million is less compared na premium ya 1.5 so mostly brako kara obati kurangari mbere orendre obaishwa ngari liwe ya to obethiria valuation then to kama actual premium ni yana iro kurite endo gara balance ni yana kuongela kenda wawende anyo cover yes
akone evaluation value eto kwariria ni atayomba kwithire kibuthika
kore anto license dikorita ngweu baito valuas valuas is one of the insurance players industry players na oti insurance yeme korita ngwete na bau because bau baba ya ba toira ngare bo kete risky toibo device ibo take risky embecha fulani so ibo ya bakal value yeah, actually there's a different boundary lakini kabarita na yangu na insurance toibo to contract baya ba to ngare ngare nya tha mone na kuania 5 million wa misho ngorogie 2 million kuringana na condition yayo na brava ile labona ijombe che baterie so uyu ni ongo yo na ibo batura ta report batura ngare batibishua kuringana na bure kari na imbecha fulani bati kuriwa yes
aki mtu wako enda gutonya kiri industry ya insurance ni mbia bati kumenya
bere urakwenda uguma kiri insurance bere na bati agelewa na insurance ritangwe na consult antwara baiguo ba mo advice then from there aka make decision na akonetha akaritangwe because kiri insurance mwambirio nethera yumi muno is not a thing we easy antu muntu agiambira insurance mbere create what we call the customer base kana ona customers who support your business it is very challenging na baba ngibe yaba mo baka withindro bakaremero ate lakini baraba baba gainyelia insurance is a very good career na then encourage baba mbikia kwenda huko magiri insurance is a good career yes
na uriete kiri industry ya insurance for so long I mistakes ire ku antu bameki bayete kuchwa insurance kenda kana bakenda gwitira biashara choka na ngari chyo insurance mistake ira bagwithakia ya tuma maybe in future bakethira in one or the other no baremo kukunika insurance yo
emwe yera mbwire ogaithera insurance ngare gwa against private kana ngare yako nia imanto yako yongo nia kubithagia manto yako kama ta family into yako ende ngare no chinjirie ngui ayo wedo kama taniantu so in such a case I think muntu no agimis ku insurance na mistake ite insurance so muntu no ara con benefit na finally akona ginya thare amana ikire insurance eune imwe inge i customer age agendra gura insurance agethira ite gura insurance ya comprehensive for example agari ngarewe in case ya happen otuntegua industry na ntu babe yabonde kwe bamwe batibithagia burako baterie kisheria age aga insurance muntura amugira thandi pate ntu babe ngino bare kwelewa insurance ko baigirwa so muntura ngarega ya wite garingwa muntura de compensate kana ngarega etriwa so you is another mistake so ura muntu ago yugi insurance na very very careful no agondiro nwe na akaithira aishua product yara enderua the correct one ira kwendete yes
okay empete kira tuchoke au kiri auto choice insurance agency ira wene we CEO na kwina insurance companies nyingi ni bibo gita different akienda utire maybe yantu iba kuba kuthira by choose ndira mta kwenda kuinsure biashara akwenda kuinsure ngari yewe akwenda kuyukia policy mono we kuthoma iba u choose auto choice
boya mbere kunera tuita customer service customer service inya muntu ithagura product no bati ko follow muntura ogenda kumena ati akwendelea so itwenda kuthia ati la customer betu areba thia to no thia fering kana ta baitaita binge ndira tuita after sales service menya wenderia customer product una area friend so after sales service iko thia ta customer na yani wa mweleza kana ugendelea buga close very close nwe inyetha no mwenderio diwa tokona no next year no you should follow your customers ona na daba kuendelea actually customer ba no ba tureta nya customer bangi because kuringa na services ira to ba na the way we kana bura to interact yabo bakona they in a safe place yes
na kiri auto choice insurance agency ni services iri ko ba kuthira bukine kanira tukirikia ija point insurance na itondria insurance chionde itondria insurance ya ngari itondria insurance ya business itondria insurance ya na itondria insurance ya marine so we deal with all classes of insurance yes so product which on them da na need no atochoe na twamweleza na tukombomoa product kuringana na need chiawe
Yes.
Mimi kim turakwenda kumenya ina company yenu iri ni atombikio bukunjila mitandao ni yokinyanire no utueleze.
Yes. So tuna email irambe kyo to kinyilanio. jm@autochoiceinsuranceagency.go.gmail.com. Enge thimo mato kinyila thimo. Thimo chetu chobichi 0712 250 455. Na uragenda mbona personally number kwa 0724 355 395. So with those one no atone very easily na anytime customer can rotona, we are very much available.
Okay, ni bwega sana. Atukire kenda waile kamera Mr. Manyara advice mtu nende aina biashara, aina ngari, aina into bingi mno bya kuinsure, lakini eno bwa abwatire mimbi na igitunguto ati no wite insurance into bya kumimbi beche cyaku katukuria, lakini itera ukubenda mimbi nyawa kwa twite no kubenda mbeche cyaku ikaura kana bakuthilunkia muno kwina mtu aina into bya wena kwenda kubinsure, lakini aino bwa.
So ibo boya mbere pio kambu kiri insurance bo kamu to gabe dia braba na rede na insurance insurance otimba ya chiura ha bo kamu to gabe patient ya new year investment akabe dia braba na ida company otimba ya customer chiura na manto biashara na nyumba properties domestic packages kana intobia nyumba meano wethera kompora ta nyumba ya kuria so nyumba te ku lakini intobira bientra ne bibia ku you know binsure bia to tan domestic package so no way ya ko insure interview in case nyumba yake ya ya wate ko wote na loss intobia ku ka compensated mwana nuena bati binsure mbero ndingeke angorere muno babaria nyumba je kompora na kinyoga ithira wina nyumba ku agite no winsure nyumba ku no ga insure nyinto bia biekuo so in short kana go gwe kangu anto bonde intobira na bio no batio bikaria obi protect obi egera insurance kuringana na ability yaku na oga intobia ku in case kwetha kwina loss wote ka inkai loss kenda company yombo compensate because you need agreement na actually we be insurance. Yes.
Okay. Anapaka sana Mr. Manyara no tuba kuya kututomete mantu jegie insurance na insurance covers insurance policies to get na mbere na kumba kuthira twigwita au kaite kwa kaita kenda tuthoma boe na ubwa pututhira bombeje no churire na rokire insurance kana nende ututhomete mantu jeginya utukuona ni kumenya kwina mwanya ya comprehensive akwina mwanya yo engi ya than department kwirengi watwirire ndereba atumba kwithira insurance kingari niyo mwanka inyawethire na insurance yawe at least kendendera kuonekana mimi na accident nyawe omba kwithira akirwa amirwa ni bwega sana amutegeri wa Meru TV eta mbere no tuthia tena tukena mibango ingi kathumba ire kwamba kwithira kwiyira ndene ndeke itikura lakini check nya thaithano kendra ngichokera kiri mubango wa The Wave.
Thank you.